kinds of quadrilaterals on tree diagrams. What types of quadrilaterals are there? We have to see here. First one, the basic one is quadrilateral. So for that we have to draw a rough diagram. Quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. The four sides may vary differently. The four sides may vary differently. When we segregate the quadrilateral, we have to get two kinds are available to us. One is trapezium. Only one pair of sides are parallel. This is said to be, this kind of quadrilateral is said to be trapezium. A quadrilateral in which only one pair of sides are parallel, that is said to be quadrilateral. The next one is a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. This one is said to be what one? Kite. You know that kite, what the shape of kite is. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Now, if the trapezium is segregated, we get two types of diagrams. One is parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. This side and this side are parallel. This side and this side are also parallel. That obtained diagram is said to be what one? LLGM. Don't think otherwise. LLGM is nothing but parallelogram. When we segregate this one into another way, we get another diagram, that is rectangle. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. But a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, one of the angle is 90 degrees, that should be a what one? Rectangle. This parallelogram will be segregated into this diagram. దీన్ని మాడిఫైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా అంటే రాంబస్ వస్తుంది. ఏ parallelogram in which one pair of sides are equal, that one is said to be what one? Rhombus. Actually here space is not sufficient to me, that's why I draw the diagram there. That's all, that side onwards. దీని కింద ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ వేసుకోండి. రెక్టాంగిల్ గమ్మా, a rectangle in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal. Any pair of adjacent sides are equal, it should be a rhombus. Now, rhombus ni segregate cheste, a rhombus in which one of the angle is 90 degrees, that should be what one? Square. That should be square. Square properties already we discussed in the last class. All sides are equal, all angles are equal, that should be what one? Square. A rectangle in which any pair of adjacent sides are equal, that should be also square. ఇక్కడ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఆల్రెడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇక్కడ రాశానమ్మా, కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రెక్టాంగిల్ వేస్తే అక్కడ రాసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, దాని నుంచి వచ్చిందని చెప్తున్నాను. రాంబస్ నుంచి స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది, రెక్టాంగిల్ నుంచి కూడా స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద T diagram of quadrilaterals. It is already there in your textbook also, page number 63, children. Now we have to construct, today class we have to construct the different angles. How we have to make 60 degrees angle, how to made 45 degrees angle, how to made 120 degrees angle, how to make 30 degrees angle, like that we have to discuss here. Today, construction of an angle 60 degrees. Okay children, take a screenshot and write in the classwork. Now, we have to make construction of angle 60 degrees. All of you children, bring the compass boxes with the two pencils. One pencil is adjusted in the compass, another pencil along with you. Sharpener, eraser also kept along with you children. Already said, I said to you, for construction of quadrilaterals, Natras pencils are useful to you. Don't use the Apsara. Is easily rubbing that one, but thick ga padtayi kabatti nice ga sannaga padalante Natras pencil techukondi, errati HB pencil. Okay children, construction of angle 60 degrees. These ones already you discussed in a 6th class standard and 7th class standard also. But once again we have to recall what we learned in the 6th or 7th classes one time. See children, construction of angle 60 degrees. The first one is draw a ray with sufficient radius, that is 4 centimeter or 5 centimeters as you like it. Afterwards, take the compass. This is board compass for me. For you already it is such kind of compasses are available in the compass boxes. Okay children, with sufficient radius, okay now, this is sufficient radius to me. Draw an arc this like. Okay children, I have to take with some radius. First of all, you have to draw a ray with 4 or 5 centimeters. Afterwards, in this length of ray, you have to take some convenient radius, and at this point O is taken as the center. With some convenient radius, draw an arc. From this point is marked as A. Here A onwards, draw one more arc with the same radius. Here how much radius we took? Same radius here onwards, cut that one. That intersecting point is marked as B. Draw another ray OB. This is the angle of 60 degrees. One time check this one with your protractor. Protractor also available to me. This is board protractor. So this like protractor also available with you. So take a measure the angle. So here this is the center. This ray and this line should be coincide with one another. Afterwards check this angle here too. And one more thing, this is left side of the ray. This is left side of this ray. So you measure the angle from the right side of the protractor. Keep in mind once again, ఈ రేలో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నేను పెడుతున్నాను కాబట్టి ప్రొట్రాక్టర్లో యాంగిల్ని రైట్ సైడ్ మెజర్ చేయాలి. అదే రైట్ సైడ్ పెట్టాను అనుకోండి సెంటర్, ఎటు నుంచి మెజర్ చేయాలమ్మా? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నుంచి మెజర్ చేయాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కెప్ట్ హియర్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ కోఇన్సైడ్ దిస్ లైక్. నౌ సీ ద యాంగిల్ 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees. So this is the angle of 60 degrees children. Okay. This one you have to practice at home and write the steps of construction. These are useful to you afterwards. What we have to do the construction? Draw a ray OA with some convenient radius. Afterwards, with OA center and some radius, draw an arc. Mark the point A on the ray. Afterwards, with the same radius from A onwards, draw one more arc intersecting the previous arc. The intersecting point is named as B. Join OB. Angle AOB equal to how much degree children? 60 degrees. Angle AOB or angle BOA should be equal to how much degrees? 60 degrees. Measure the angle with protractor. Okay. This is the construction of angle 60 degrees. Now we need to go for construction of an angle 30 degrees. How we have to make the angle 30 degrees? Once again children, This is the construction of angle 60 degrees. Next one is construction of angle, an angle 30 degrees. How we made construction of angle 30 degrees, children? Very important. Same this process only. Draw a ray OA with some convenient radius. Here, afterwards with some convenient radius, take with the compass. I have to took some convenient radius. Draw an arc. Okay, children? This leg you have to carry. Just a compass also you have to took on the top of the compass only. అంతేగాని ఇట్లా బట్టి పెసగా బాకండి దాన్ని రెండు చేతులతోటి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఇక్కడ మాత్రమే పట్టుకోండి. OA, draw an arc. With the same arc, here onwards, cut the above arc. This point is named as A, this one is B. OB is what angle? OB is what angle actually? Angle BOA equal to how much degrees? 60 degrees. Now, we have to bisect this angle. How like we have to bisect this angle? One time say children. In this length AB, more than half took. More than half. Okay children. From A onwards, draw one more arc. With the same radius from B onwards, cut this arc. Intersecting point is named as C. Join OC. This is the scale of me. Useful on the board. Join OC ray. This is the bisector of angle 60 degrees. This one is 30 degrees. This one is 30 degrees. Once again, first draw a ray OA with some convenient radius. O onwards, draw one arc, big arc. With the same radius from A onwards, cut the above arc. Intersecting point is B. Angle AOB is 60 degrees. In this length AB, more than half to cut. A onwards, draw one arc. With the same radius B onwards, cut the above arc. Intersecting point is named as C. Join OC. This is the angular bisector of 60 degrees. So each and every angle is how much degrees, children? 30 degrees. This is the two constructions you have to practice at home, children. Bye.